Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is Vale, and in this video today, this is going to be a silent video, which means that after the introduction, I'm just going to cut off to the actual tutorial part of the video, and I'll not be talking and I will not be on the screen at all. Everything is going to be on the screen. Every hint that I give, everything that I do has been explained on the screen itself. So I'm not going to be on the video, and the reason being, now in this class, what I'm going to actually show you is how you can actually perform a buffer overflow which simulates more of a real world scenario. So what I'm trying to say is, in the previous videos, if you have seen my series on binary exploitation, you would know that all the things and all the servers that I actually performed my penetration tests on are actually developed by myself. So they were kind of easy to actually hack because I exactly know how my own program works. So that has been done just for the ease of understanding for buffer overflow and maybe reverse engineering and stack frames. So for the ease of understanding, I did all of those things that is on a server that was built by me. But in this case, I'm going to do the same thing, that is perform a buffer overflow, but which will kind of simulate a real world scenario, which is I have hacked a server made by the developers at samsclass.info. I guess I will actually give in the link in the about section of the video, so you can practice that as well. So as I particularly know that server was hosted on samsclass.info or something like that, and it was for 20 points. So I guess that was for a competition or something like that, but it's old, so I'm not in the competition. So but still, I found it online and I downloaded it, and then I showed you how to actually perform a buffer overflow attack on a simulation of a real world, and how actually developers find the buffer overflow vulnerability in a real world application. So I actually know nothing about the server, how it's written, how it's done, how it exactly works. I don't know anything about it. I didn't even see the code by myself. I just downloaded the shell file, or I downloaded the executable file, and that's it. I hacked that file. Now, as I'm not going to be talking or actually perfectly giving you a tutorial, a hands-on tutorial, that is I speak, you listen, I'm not going to do that, because everything that has been performed in this video today is already the same thing that I have done in the previous class about exploiting a buffer overflow vulnerability. Now the thing is that I'm doing this, as I just said, as it would be on a real world scenario. So everything that has been going on the video, you have probably seen this on my previous video about exploiting a buffer overflow attack already. So if you do not understand this, or if you are very new to it, I would again suggest you to go to my first video on my binary exploit playlist on my channel. So the first video is just and exclusively about stack frames, and when we are done with stack frames, I uploaded the video, I guess, on reverse engineering. So reverse engineering is for us to know what is exactly happening behind the scenes on my computer, so how the application exactly works line by line in my computer, and how to actually make it do something that it was not intended to. So I have made a video on reverse engineering itself. Then I explained how to find and how exactly what buffer overflow is, and on the last video I have actually shown you how to exploit such a buffer overflow attack. Now this video is again going to be a direct application of a buffer overflow exploit simulated like a real world attack. So I hope you really enjoy the video. And one thing, I have made a program in Python myself that is for generating patterns and finding offsets. So now I just want to say you that don't get terrified by that, because it has nothing great about it. You can do the same thing on Metasploit, which is you can create patterns and find the exact offset. From Metasploit, you can find other tools online. I just don't like remembering commands and remembering specific proprietary Metasploit commands. I don't like these ready-made tools kind of things. So I made my own pattern generation tool in Python, and with the same tool I am actually also finding out the offset. So don't get terrified by that. It's just a simple program, and if you want, I can give you a link to my program as well. So I really hope you enjoy the video. See you on the screen. Goodbye.